battery pack in there?
Yes.
Thank you.
No, the rules. For using fishing hooks, fishing hook make it stick into your clothes. It's dangerous to fish if rod jumps during fishing. Children must be accompanied by a guardian. Please be careful. Water splashes fish blood. We're using seawater, so please be careful. Machine broken trouble. When leaving your seat, please attach your valuables. Fish bones and scales may enter the dish. Please note that we're not responsible for any acts of blah, blah, blah. So it's like fishing. I always cut myself when I'm fishing, not a big deal.
I'm looking at the drinks.
So you can catch all kinds of fish here. There's a sea bream, an olive flounder, a white trevally, the sea perch, and a striped beak fish. Kind of looks like a drum or a sheep's head. You can get it prepared in many different ways. You can get it sashimi, you can get it fried, you can do half and half. I think we'll probably do, if I can catch a fish. My fishing in saltwater has been completely bad this year, so.
I don't really have much of a hiding chance.
You can snag them too. Not necessarily, but they snagging is allowed.
Oh,
Yeah.
we will eat tonight.
Yeah. So what you do here, you get your bait, you get your pole, you get your bait, you try to catch a fish. You catch a fish, you give it to a person, the person prepares it for you and brings it back to your table. They have a boat upstairs, and then they just have the regular, like a fishing tank here. It's pretty cool. It's a 2-story place. So the fishing tank is right here. And I'm gonna get in there and try to catch a fish for dinner. I do that anyway, but this is a much more high pressure situation. At least we're hungry, and a lot of times with fishing I end up empty-handed. So hopefully this time I won't. We'll see what happens. You can always buy a fish too if you're not lucky. I'm gonna be fishing, so they brought us bait. The bait are these tiny shrimp. I'm gonna put one on a hook and see what happens. Sashimi,
Sashimi and
sashimi and fry, I guess.
friend. Okay.
Yeah.
唐揚げと so we have tempura and fry with sauce. So which one you want?
Tempura.
Tempura.
Yes.
Tempura.
I got desperate. It's been almost a half hour, so I snagged him. I'm not proud of it, but I snagged him. They're doing half sashimi, half tempura, and it's a sea bream. I got a picture of him. He got me nice and bloody. I'm all dirty. I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick and then wait on Delaney's making a fish. Nobody's catching him with bait. Everybody's snagging him. Everybody I saw had a fish snag him. So it's like,
Those fish are hungry.
no, they are not hungry at all. I put fish in front of its mouth 8 to 10 times, and they swim backwards away from it.
They know it's up.
They know it's up. So we're waiting on waiting to make the fish. The man took it away to go get it cleaned up. Ordered the fish tempura and sashimi style. So the tempura just came out, so this is about the freshest fish you can get. You cannot get the fish any fresher than this. I caught the fish about 5 minutes ago, and here they are, so I'm gonna dig in. This is sashimi. The presentation is quite beautiful. It took a little while. I was like, where's my fish? Because it's been like 15 minutes. But there are other people that caught fish too, so they have to do everybody's right. So the sashimi, a little bit of wasabi, some lemon, some glass noodles and whatnot.
That's a lot of wasabi,
Yeah,
right?
it's a large. It's bigger than my
I'll
thumb.
give you $5 to take a big old bite of it.
$5.
$5. What?
$5.
You can get a Suntoya with that and make your life better. Whatever the saying is. That's really beautiful.
So yeah, that is the fish restaurant, fishing restaurant. I caught this fish and then you got some delicious tempura.
It's a team effort, right?
Team effort,
Like,
really is.
somebody had to
The whole
order the
thing's a team
tempura
effort.
while he was doing that. So we wanted to be hungry. And thank you very much. And I thought this restaurant was a really so far. The starter that we had was good. Reduced other fish were good. I don't eat fried fish. But the bike is really fun. People are excited to be catching the fish. People are happy to be here. I mean, I don't feel like this is a place you would come sad if you really enjoy it. So good so far.
This is the thing, the first thing that when a buddy of mine was like, oh, you're going to Japan? Go to this place. And he found the video, and then that's what started me finding all the YouTube videos for Japan. So this feels like a giant accomplishment that we got something like this done.
Over here.
Over here, I caught a fish. I've actually eaten half of it already. And here's the other half. I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. This place lived up to the hype.
It has tiny little teeth.
Yeah.
He's looking at me.
So let's wrap this up. It lived up to the hype. The food is very good. And I'm gonna eat this sashimi now. And that's the fishing restaurant in Osaka, Japan.